Yeah, so video naska to solve mass systems of linear equations. So first method is called Gaussian elimination. Then the second method is called Gauss-Jordan method. So we want to solve a system of linear equations using Gauss elimination method. So first step is to express a system of linear equations in matrix form. So again, express in matrix form. So so we augmented matrix. So I know my coefficients. Then we separate in a line and it don't waste some answers either. So we have to perform our row operations by row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. So that pana 0, 0, 0, pana poita 0, 0, 0. Then diagonal row number 1. So first stage ndeyekutogadzira pivot. Tinoda kungoreduce kurow echelon, then toita backward substitution. So row operation rekuti pana pave na 1, we say row 1 is given by 1 over 2 row 1. So 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1 over 2, 1, 1 over 2. Then 6 over 2 get 3. Then 6 minus 6, 6 of 36. So taita row operations, takuinyora row operations. So since tiny pivot, and row 1 is given by row 1, then row 2 is given by row 2 minus 6 row 1. Row 3 is given by row 3 minus 4 row 1. Then row 4 is given by row 4 minus 2 row 1. So that pano must 0. But formula apply row racing. This formula row racing. This formula row racing. So after performing these row operations, and we get something like again the matrix that no one. So after taita row operations, row 1 raji, so column 1 to 1. But chada kumeka, we want to make this one a pivot. So we say row 2 is given by minus 1 over 9 row 2. We have to divide row 2 by minus 1 over 9 by 9 minus 9. So after performing my row operation, after perform this row operation, tinoona row 2 iri. So tiny pivot. So toda reduce to zeros. So we say row 3 is given by row 3 minus row 2. We are subtracting row 2 since paripo row in pivot. Row 4 is given by row 4, subtract row 2. So after performing my row operations, I am to know 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 3 0 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 1 minus 4 minus 11 0 0 minus 3 1 6. So chaba chada kunita chada make this one pivot so that no reducer in to 0. So we say row 3 is given by minus row 3. So that no one again. So tapé the pana taita row 3 to multiply minus 1 row 3 multiplied by minus 1. So we want to reduce this one to 0. So we say row 4 is given by row 4 plus 3. So to apply row 3 raise for example apana to minus 3 plus 3 corresponding row 3 to 1 to 1 0 same panapa 1 plus 4 times 3 to 1 again to 1 answer you shidaro ndi change row is rapid. So after performing my row operation there we get 1 over 2 1 over 2 3 0 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 in writing musaichikirisa 0 yakatoshata 0 1 4 11. Then row 3 taona 0 0 0 13 39. Panap row irina x1 x2 x3 x4. So kanta siya tatopedza even ukada we divide na 13 kweso but tatopedza so 18x4 takuita inonzi backward substitution with this one you multiply na x4 kai 13x4 is equals to 39 to divide na 13 divided na 13 then we will remain with x4 is equals to 3 tuida inonzi backward substitution then takutevera iyo inenge ya x3 because we do 1 multiplied by x3 plus 4x4 is equals to it correspond na 11 x3 plus 4 but x4 tinaye kudala ndi 3 is equals to 11 so x3 is equals to 11 minus 12 to minus 1 then tuita backward substitution yedu iyo x2 yovesera iri x2 plus 0x3 minus x4 is equals to equated to minus 2 x2 minus x4 tina 3 is equals to minus 2 therefore x2 is equals to 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Then after tatsagachi x2 and takunoita imwe yacho operation yekupedzisira inotiyo x1 plus 1 over 2x2 plus x3 plus 1 over 2x4 is equals to 3. Then x1 plus 1 over 2 x2 to 91 x3 to 9 x3 to minus 1 plus 1 over 2 x4 to 9 the 3. Then we equate to 3. Therefore x1 plus 1, if we simplify it, is equals to 3. Then x1 is equals to 2. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So no more answers either one. X1 is equals to 2, x2 is equals to 1, x3 is equals to minus 1, x4 is equals to 3. So no more answers either.